Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in this video I actually wanted to do a video on a system that I joined yesterday. Okay, it's called the Lead Power System, but I will touch upon that in another video. But right now I want to get into this video about a traffic generation tool that you can use to help you grow your business, literally. Okay, so actually I learned this I learned this information on this specific traffic method on the today I can't talk, guys, seriously. Okay, so basically I learned this I found out about this tool from the system that I joined yesterday. Okay, and basically by joining Lead Power System, they have many trainings, many tools, many things that you can learn, new stuff that you can learn, pretty awesome stuff, interesting stuff. But I'm just going to touch upon, I will do another video about this system, about how this system works, how you can use it, why it's such a powerful tool, why it's such an incredible tool. But I'm not going to get into that in this video. First, I want to talk about this one thing that they shared with me, or with the system itself. They shared a powerful traffic generation tool. Okay, and let me just cut to the chase, okay, because I keep blabbering on and I'm not getting to the point. So basically this tool is called Herculist. Okay, now this is not the first time that I've actually heard this before. I have actually heard of this company way back, but I never really got down to using it. But basically, if you don't see the power in this, then I don't know what else to say. Okay, I haven't personally used it yet, so I can't really recommend it, but I'm just sharing it with you on this video. But then I will do another video on my results, what kind of results it's given me, and all of that good stuff and information. Okay, so basically, in a nutshell, what Herculist does is you can email out for free, okay, 1,000 people every day. Okay, now whether that's your business opportunity, getting them to your list, whatever that is. Now the pro member, the gold membership, okay, which you pay a one-time fee of $49. It's only a one-time fee of $49. Yeah, you can get to send out to 88,000 people on that list. 88,000 people every single day. You can send them messages like emails. Okay, so this is an extremely powerful email marketing tool. Okay, because ultimately what you can do is you can be building your list using this software. Now it's completely free to use the 1,000 every day. So basically what you're doing is you're emailing these people 1,000 every single day, and basically, yeah, like driving traffic to whatever you're promoting. How cool is that? Now the second thing is to keep in mind is that when you're driving traffic, whether it be solo ads, whether it be paid advertising, whatever you're doing, you don't want to be like directly driving them to the sales letter or to whatever you're promoting. You want to be building your list. Okay, and that's where Lead Power System comes in. Okay, because what Lead Power System is, it's a lead generation tool, and basically they actually have in the platform built-in capture pages. So basically you can create your own. Now that's an upgraded version. Okay, so you can create your own capture pages. You can create unlimited amounts of capture pages, and then when people sign up, they become your lead in that system, and then you can then email them and promote to them. I hope that makes sense. I don't want to too much get off track here to jumping from one thing to the other. I can't help it, but that's how I am. But basically in a nutshell, what I'm trying to get at is that Herculist, you use Herculist email marketing to drive them to your free offer to build your list, and then you've got a whole bunch of people and you're building your list that way. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So the paid version, like I said, of Herculist is only $49, a one-time payment. And when you sign up in the link below this video, okay, when you sign up, you also get a $5 for free. Okay, so basically anytime you refer someone, they get a $5 bonus kind of thing. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I'm not sure if that's a free member or a paid version, but I do know that when you sign up someone, they get a $5 a bonus or whatever. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. And you know, if you want to check that, the other thing that they do is they also offer solo ads. So you can actually purchase solo ads from this company, and I'm sure they probably have probably really good deals on solo ads, but who knows? Like I said, I haven't tested it out for myself, so I can't really talk. And you know, I don't like recommend, unless I see potential in something. I'm not going to recommend something if you know, it hasn't brought me some kind of value. And that's not to say that it's going to, you know, make me a millionaire or whatever, but if it hasn't, not one system is going to make you a millionaire. Okay, maybe, could be, but you know, there's always a learning curve. There's always more to learn. Okay, so the point that I'm trying to make is that yeah, this is a great tool, and I recommend it because I do see the potential in it. I haven't used it myself. No, I'm not going to claim to be using it myself when I haven't used it myself. And I will keep you updated for, you know, how it goes for me. I might use this because, you know, I'm testing a whole bunch of stuff out. So I can't really say, you know, because when you're testing a whole bunch of stuff out, sometimes you forget about other stuff and you're kind of like focused on what you're doing at that moment. So I have joined a hell of a lot of stuff. I've bought a hell of a lot of stuff. So, you know, I'm literally just like testing this and then testing that and then testing that and then testing that. But I'm definitely going to give this a look. I'm going to look at this. I'm going to look more into this because I do think that it has potential. I mean, if you can email a bunch of people every single day, chances are of you building your list is very great. Now, I don't know if these are targeted leads. That's the other thing. Or I don't know if they're just random people. But I am going to look into that. Like if they were related to the home-based business niche, it would just make it so much more effective and so much more powerful. But like I said, they also sell their own solo ads, which is pretty cool as well. But yeah, like I said, guys, you can check them out. Click the link in the description below this video and you know, get signed up and get also your $5 for free. I don't know 100% if it is for the free membership, but it makes sense for it to be for the free membership. And also, yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also I'll be doing a video more in depth on the power lead. It used to be called power lightning or something lightning, lead lightning. Now it's like the power lead system. So now, yeah, the name's changed to power lead system. But I think that this is an awesome system, guys. I think it's a great system. They have awesome training about solo ads, about traffic. They have awesome training about like, there's not just awesome training in there, but you have the tools necessary to build a successful business online. Okay, like building your email list. You know, they have like you can literally store all of your emails, your prospects onto this software. Sorry, not software, platform. You can also message them. You can also build unlimited capture pages. Okay, so I am diversing. You know, I was talking about what do you call it? I was talking about Herculist, and now all of a sudden I've jumped to Power Lead System. And the only reason why I'm talking about them is because that's exactly where I learned this Herculist from. Okay, so anyway, yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in more videos. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.